Hello, Mr. Ansel from Boxcar Gaming here, and we just launched version 3.9, and in version 3.9 we have the exciting new feature Windows Offscreen Mode. This is an amazing feature for people that use a single monitor. People that use multiple monitors may not want it, but to give a demonstration here, I have 6 characters. I've set them all up to just have the sit key be number 9, and I'm just going to be driving from this character named Brochacho, and for this example, we're just going to have a key here that the command will be all key 9. So all characters will press key 9. Simple. And it's called all sit. So previously in Boxcar, when you did press something like this, you would see all your screens kind of flash in front of you and they'd all perform the command. So you would see something similar to that. Pretty jarring. Some people absolutely hated it, and it was a reason for them to move away from Boxcar, and I totally get that. It makes sense. It is difficult to have that. You sort of have to get used to it, and we finally did something to address that. So now if you go to the main settings here, you go to settings, go to core, you have this Windows Offscreen Mode. What this does is that Boxcar detects when it should and shouldn't move screens away from your current monitor, but it does such that it restores them, so when you switch to the characters they'll still be where you want them to be. Now when you turn this on, that's all you have to do. You could just go back and we'll just press the button again, and you'll see we don't see that flicker anymore. Everyone just sits and stands as we want them to. If I click on another character, I'll just switch to that character. If I go back to my character and I click all sit, you'll see them all sit again. If I decide I don't want to click on a character name but I want to just alt tab, if I alt tab, the window will be back. It won't be off screen anymore. So it'll be there. But yeah, so it's like you can still switch to a character if you need to in a bind, but if you're just mostly driving from one character, you can add this new setting and be able to use Boxcar without having to see that flicker of the other screen. Really excited about this. This is in version 3.9 that's live in the Microsoft App Store. Have a good one. Peace out.